Welcome to Moffett Automated Storage, where we manufacture automated pallet storage solutions. Let me show you around. An interesting fact for you. One of these robots is lifting a pallet somewhere in the world every 3 seconds under contract, which in the first 6 years of business is pretty impressive. This office is the heart of our company, with project management, engineering, IT and quality. Let's go out to the factory to see our engineering. This is the type of fabrication that goes on here. We receive our sheet metal in cut and folded, and then we fabricate everything in-house before painting. So here you can see one of our taxis being fabricated right now. From fabrication, now we go to paint. Now I'm going to leave you over to Adam, our operations manager. He's been with us for over 5 years, so I'll leave you in good hands.
I'm still here in our stores area. We have quite a small area with an awful lot of very high value parts from a lot of European OEMs. Part of the key aspect of our product is that it's a quality product made with quality parts. Our taxi is probably the beating heart of what we do. It is the element of the system that moves the pallets around, and we build them here on a static build. Our operators are very highly skilled, so they will build the product from start to finish rather than a production line environment. And they'll take this machine from start to finish in 4 to 4.5 days. Now come with me and we'll explore some of the other areas of the factory. So this is one of our elevators. It's actually destined for Canada next week. It's a 12.5 metre elevator. Our elevators span from about 5 metres up to 30 metres, and they allow the taxis in the system to change level. We will build them here completely. We will completely test them, check them over, quality check them. Then we'll pack them to go to site. We will make approximately 35 elevators in a year. From a taxi perspective, we'll make around 120 machines per year. And then when we go to the conveyor area, we're making somewhere around 200 to 250 conveyors a year, depending on orders. We are very lucky that we design, manufacture and build our own conveyors in-house. It's an element that really sets us apart from competition and allows us to really customize our machinery to specific customers across the world. Normally we'll be building around 200 to 250 conveyors a year. The guys receiving a chassis, a kit, and they will build that product from start to finish. The whole reason behind that is quality. We want to build the quality in and have people take responsibility and put their name to the product. Once our production process is finished, our product is then rigorously tested in-house. So our taxi testing is behind us here. We put it into this system for a 24-hour period of time. There are no faults, it'll then get taken out. It'll do testing with weight and unweighted, and we will analyse the data quite closely to make sure every product leaves here completely finished, ready for customer. The quality aspect of our production facility is really paramount, because we look after the machinery not only when it leaves here, but in an after-sales perspective later on as well.
I'm Kieran Duffy and I'm After Sales and Support Manager at Moffett Automated Storage. We offer 24-hour support, 365 days a year to our customers all across the world. This is all run from our base here in Clontibbert. With our customers being worldwide, different time zones, we offer the support 24/7 for that reason. It's important to them to keep their systems running and get their pallets to their customers on time. So they can't afford to have downtimes.
You go out and you sit in front of a customer that maybe has a very large business, and they're handing you over the keys effectively to the heartbeat, their warehouse, and we always jump to what our customers need, and something we pride ourselves on, and I would say sets us apart from a lot of the competition.
I'm Richard Spears, the software manager here in Moffett Automated Storage. I manage a team of 8 developers here, a remote team. They're based in 3 different countries. The software here in Moffett is an integral part of the company. It's been developed all in-house from scratch, and it's what controls and manages all the machinery. We also have developed the front end so the customers can see the status of all their machinery and pallets in the warehouse. We also have the interface to interface with their software as well, so they can control their system from what they want it to do. The software department is a close-knit team, but we are proud to be part of the larger company that produces the product that we have on the market today.
For over 7 decades, the Moffett name has been known for its engineering, trusted locally and around the world.
I'm Michelle Swift. I am the Chief Financial Officer here at Moffett Automated Storage. Across the board, we're involved with all aspects of the business. Sam is a very inspirational leader, and I feel that I can learn a lot from him and from the other members of the management team.
So I joined the company in 2018, not long after it was founded. Came in with an operations background and an engineering background, and I've been very lucky to see the company grow from about 4 employees at that point right the way up to we've 65 employees on the books right now. Something we're really passionate about is bringing people through the company and giving them good personal development and opportunities not only in work but outside of work with third-party learning. We're a big investor in the apprenticeship locally to also bring young people in, and we always integrate with the local colleges and schools as well.
Thank you for joining us as we toured our facility. We have done systems from 1,000 pallets to 40,000 pallets. Join us on our journey to see where it takes us next. We have some exciting new products coming into 2024. Keep following to see how we get on.